Want to turbocharge your production line and boost profit? Look no further than Impress IT Solutions. Manufacturing thrives on efficiency, precision, and innovation, and all of it needs a strong IT backbone. Enter Impress IT Solutions, Houston's go-to experts in IT consulting for manufacturing. From automated systems and ERP optimization to rock-solid cybersecurity and regulatory compliance, Impress IT Solutions covers every tech need your operation has. They start with an in-depth IT assessment, then craft a custom roadmap to align with your business goals. And as you grow, they scale right alongside you. Why do Houston manufacturers choose Impress IT Solutions? Local expertise, proven reliability, and deep industry knowledge. They're not just another IT firm, they're a partner in your success. Say goodbye to downtime and inefficiency. Say hello to streamlined workflows, enhanced security, and cost savings. Let Impress IT Solutions transform your manufacturing operations today. Contact Impress IT Solutions now and take your manufacturing to the next level.